Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can adjust or set a custom background for your start page on the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me open Waterfox web browser on my device. And here on your home page or home screen, let me open it through a new tab, for example. That is going to redirect you to that start page. You may click into that gear icon in the bottom right to access the customization of the start page. And here you see a list of wallpapers, like for example, the current one, or solid colors. You may also reset to default, just like that, or upload an image, for example, to use it as a custom background. So let me switch, for example, to a solid color wallpaper, and you may go with one of these, or click into choose a color. And then you will be given access, guys, to that color picker here, which gives you access, as you can see, to quite a lot of these colors. So well, take the one you like. Let me go with standard black, just like that. Click into OK, and that's it. Alternatively, guys, as previously mentioned, click into upload image here, navigate or locate the file in JPEG and PG file format on your device and upload it to make it your custom background. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.